Good morning. Today, my topic is imagining the birth of a new universe. We live in a complex world. The more we try to unravel the mysteries of this universe, the more we get entangled into it. We still do not know how it all works. Some call this world a mithya, meaning that the world exists only for our eyes to see. It is what our brain makes up for our eyes to see. Present day science tells us that the universe began with a big bang and that we live in a multiverse. Our universe is ever expanding and will burst like a soap bubble someday. My own understanding and guess is that stars and galaxies move in space like small and big boats in a river. The river meanders through the terrain, rapids and falls, and finally ends in the ocean. The stars and galaxies, similarly, are pulled towards this huge cauldron or melting pot of cosmic matter. The gases or cosmic clouds move out of the melting pot to form stars and galaxies for another day. So, where are these stars and the Milky Way headed? A huge cosmic cauldron awaits, where the stars and galaxies will tumble and fall. And this cosmic cauldron, they will get churned, and then the gases or, or the cosmic clouds move back as if in a convection flow to repeat the cycle of formation of stars and galaxies, starting with the Big Bang once again. The cycle of birth and death of this universe carries on endlessly. Then what happens to the earth? Will it follow the same route as the rest of the universe? I presume that the earth will follow the rest of the universe. The swirling gases have to cool and solidify into mass that will be called earth. The earth will cool further to hold the rivers and oceans. The first microorganisms will germinate. Next, the evolution from fish to primates on earth will take place. Grass, herbs, shrubs, and trees will come up parallelly. But what is the hope that man will come out as a leading actor in the new survival drama once again? It could be another creature altogether different from us humans. He could look like an octopus that could fly, stay on land or deep sea bed. It could feed through its skin, absorbing nutrients from the air, water, and soil. He may have no mouth or alimentary canal. 100 years of life may be too little. Probably it could live 400 to 500 years. And the day and night could be much longer, longer than 24 hours. This creature could be communicating through radio waves. Its eyes may have 360 degrees view and could see through the walls. A nose that could smell a wildfire hundreds of kilometers away. Sounds that could alert us of danger from predator or upheavals in the earth's crust or oceans miles away. It could have a sixth sense or capability to move to other dimensions. But hey, wait a minute. If this were a wish list and if this were to come true, life would be very boring here. If we do not require food for our sustenance, we would be missing a lot of culinary enjoyment. We would miss that warm cup of coffee, fruits, salads, or a cup of ice cream. We would miss great times at the dining table. If our life were to be made safer by better performance of our senses, there would be no intrigue left. If we could see the future, there would be no suspense left in this world. It is like watching a movie whose story you have just read or heard. If we know the story of the earth, there would be nothing left to discover. There would be no Columbus, Vasco da Gamas, Newton, Tesla, or Einsteins in this world. So sadly, I have every reason to admire the present circumstances in which we are in and wish the earth we live in continues till eternity. Thank you.